Hey man, let me ask you something. Have you ever wanted to be the guy she can't stop thinking about? The one who lingers in her mind long after you've left the room? The truth is, attraction isn't just about what you say. It's about the energy you bring, the presence you command, and the emotions you stir up without ever saying a word. And if you can master that, you'll have a power most men never figure out. So today, I'm gonna break down the trick to getting inside her head without even speaking. This is the real psychological game changer that flips the script and makes you unforgettable. The art of controlled presence. Most guys think they need to be loud, flashy, or constantly talking to get attention, but the most powerful men in any room are the ones who know how to own the space without trying too hard. Next time you're around her, slow down, move deliberately, speak less, but with more impact. Make her lean in, make her wonder what you're thinking. The mystery, that's what hooks her. Women are wired to be intrigued by what they don't fully understand, and when you aren't constantly trying to fill the silence, she starts filling in the blanks herself. She starts thinking about you, she starts wondering what's on your mind, and once you're in her thoughts, you've already won half the battle. 2. Mastering the power of eye contact. There's one thing that creates an instant, unspoken connection: eye contact. But not the nervous, darting around kind. No, I'm talking about calm, controlled, and confident eye contact that says, I see you. I know exactly what I'm doing. When you look at her, hold that gaze just long enough to create tension, then look away. That's the sweet spot. That tension you create, that's where the magic happens. She'll replay that moment in her mind, wondering why she suddenly felt something. And the best part, she won't even realize you did it on purpose. 3. Less talking, more listening. Most guys make the mistake of talking too much, trying to impress her with words. But real impact comes from being the guy who listens, not just nodding along, but actually making her feel heard. When she talks, pause before responding. Let her words sink in. She'll notice that, and she'll feel a stronger pull toward you. Women are drawn to a man who can make them feel understood without constantly trying to prove himself. And when you finally do speak, say something thoughtful, deep, or just slightly unexpected. Keep her intrigued, keep her guessing. That's how you stay in her mind. 4. The subtle power of scarcity. Ever notice how the less available a guy is, the more women seem to want him? That's not luck, that's psychology. When you're always around, always texting first, always available, she knows she has you. But when you pull back just a little, when you make her feel like she doesn't completely have you yet, that's when she starts chasing you. You're creating mental scarcity. She starts wondering, why isn't he texting me as much? What is he doing? Does he even like me that much? And those thoughts? Those are gold, because now she's the one thinking about you, even when you're not around. 5. Body language. That speaks for you. Most guys don't realize this, but your body speaks louder than your words ever will. Stand tall, shoulders back, and take up space. This signals confidence without saying a word. Slow down your movements. Rushed, fidgety movements show insecurity. Smooth, controlled movements show power. Angle your body slightly away from her. This makes her feel like she's earning your attention, rather than you giving it away for free. Lean in slightly when she's talking, then lean back. This creates a push-pull dynamic that keeps her engaged. When you master body language that commands attention, she won't even realize why she's so drawn to you. She'll just feel it. 6. Give her an emotional high, then walk away. This is where real psychological power comes in. If you want to stay in her head, you need to create a moment of intensity, then leave. Maybe it's a deep eye contact moment. Maybe it's an inside joke, a playful tease, a moment where she feels like she's the only girl in the world for just a second. But then, you pull away. You go talk to someone else. You leave her wanting more. That emotional high, followed by your absence, that's what makes her crave your presence again. She'll start wondering when she'll get another moment like that, and before she knows it, she's hooked. Final thoughts. Look, man, getting inside her head isn't about saying the perfect thing or texting the perfect message. It's about presence, energy, and the emotions you stir up in her mind. Speak less, observe more, hold eye contact, master your body language, create moments of intensity, then walk away. Do this right, and she'll be thinking about you without even realizing why, and that's real power. If this hit home, Drop a comment below and let me know what's the best psychological trick you've ever used to make her think about you. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more high-value insights. Stay sharp, brother. I'll see you in the next one.